Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel flight on Priceline. So according to their website, there are two options. First option is to cancel your flight online using their self-service tools. So here are the steps. Let's go through it. Log into My Trips if you have a Priceline account, or search Find My Trips and select View or Cancel Itinerary next to the reservation you want to cancel. Look for a cancel button within your reservation page and read the policies associated with the cancellation. And then next, if you're satisfied, just click cancel. And then it says here that you should receive an email confirming when they have canceled your booking. And then option 2 is to contact customer care. It says here that if you are unable to cancel your flights using the online tools, you can contact customer care. So in order to contact customer care, guys, just go to their website and then scroll down to the bottom until you see the Contact Us link under About Priceline. Click on it. And then here, you will see the online bot. Click Chat Now. It will take you here. Just ask this bot about your cancellation, and if the bot cannot answer your query, it will redirect you to a hotline number or an email address. So basically, that's it.